Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Yes. Now can you tell me to which grade you all are promoted to? Yes, to grade 2 because you all are grown up. So before starting this session, I want to ask you something. Can you tell me the place in your school where you find number of books? Yes, very good. That is your library. And the person who manages the library is called a librarian. And as you all are grown up, you are having a special poem this time. And the name of the poem is Now That I Can Read. It means now you are promoted to grade 2. You are able to read, you are able to write, also you are able to understand the meanings of the words. So you can also enter into library and pick up your favorite books to read. So let us move to the poem. The first stanza goes like this. When I was small and couldn't read and had barely learned to walk on my feet, I remember loving all my books, all of them just for their looks. The meaning of this stanza is the poet is remembering that when she was small and was not able to read, and just when she learned to walk by herself, she used to love books the most just because of the colorful pictures and its attractive looks. The second paragraph is I listened to mother carefully. She read them all so wonderfully. I looked and understood all the pictures, but all the letters looked like moving creatures. It means the time when the poet was small, she used to listen and understand very carefully when her mother was reading the book, only by looking at the beautiful pictures. And because she could not read anything, all the letters were looking like the moving creatures. The last paragraph, your third paragraph, goes like this. And now in second grade I have come, tall and smart I have become. Now I'll pick up from library shelf all the books that I can read myself. Wow! Now this paragraph is specially for you all. Yes, great. It's for grade 2 students. How nice. Now you have entered into grade 2. You all are tall and smart enough. And so you can pick up any book from the library shelf and you can read by yourself. Now let us see, when you go to the library, what are all the things you can do? Like you can read and borrow the books, you can ask a librarian for the help, also you can use computers to get the information. Now when you go to the library, what are all the things you should not do? You should not make loud noises. You should not drink or eat anything. Keep the books that you borrowed. In this slide, let us see some words of this poem and their pronunciation. First word is couldn't. C-O-U-L-D-N-O-T. Couldn't. Here L will be always silent. Second word is barely. B-A-R-E-L-Y. Barely. Third one is learnt. L-E-A-R-N-T. Learnt. Then is listened. L-I-S-T-E-N-E-D. Listened. Carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Next one is understood. U-N-D-E-R STOOD, understood. Next is beautifully, BEAUTIFULLY, beautifully. Next one is creatures, CREATURES. Next one is smart, SMART, smart. Last one is library, LIBRARY, library. Now, can you tell me the meaning of smart? Smart means well dressed. Smart means handsome. Yes, very good. But also, smart means someone who is intelligent also. Yes, now let us see how to use it in a sentence. Tim is a very smart boy. Alicia is too smart to be fooled. Our school uniform makes us look smart. Now, if you know the meaning of smart properly, try to make the sentences by using this word. Next word is learnt. Learnt means to gain knowledge or information. It is the past tense of learn. Yes, learn is present tense and learnt is past tense. Present tense means whatever the work we are doing right now. And past tense means whatever the work we had already done it. Okay? Now let us see the sentences. The child has not learnt ABC. Sanya learned that I had passed the test. Joy learned to ride a bicycle when he was 8 years old. I hope you can make some simple sentences by using this word learnt. Now what you all have to do? You have to be ready with a pencil and a book. Okay, let us solve some fill in the blanks. It will be like a self-test for you all. Okay, so shall we start it? So first one is, when the poet was small, she couldn't dash. Second one, the poet loved her books just for their dash. Third one, the poet's dash read books to the poet wonderfully. Fourth one, the letters of the books look like dash to the poet. And the last one is, the poet picks books from the dash shelf. So, are you all ready with your answers? Wonderful. And if you could not remember, then don't worry. Okay, we all can read it once again and we can solve it. First one, when the poet was small, she couldn't read. Yes. Second one is, the poet loved her books just for their looks. Yes, the answer is looks. Third one is, the poet's mother read the books to the poet wonderfully. So the answer is mother. Fourth one is, the letters of the books look like moving creatures to the poet. Fifth one is, the poet picks books from the library shelf. So the answer is library. I hope you enjoyed this poem session. Thank you.